going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your name here on Facebook on your iPhone device or an Android device. This is super easy and you do not need to worry about having complications or dealing with other requirements. It's very easy. The very first thing you're going to do, of course, is to hop into Facebook real quick, open up Facebook, and next up you're going to tap in here on these three lines at the top left corner. Okay, next up you're going to scroll down all the way to settings and privacy, and then you're going to tap on settings real quick. Next up, you'll be able to see in here this screen where you do have Meta account. So you need to tap on Meta account. Next up, you just need to tap in here on the profiles. If you have more than one profile, tap here, and then you need to select the desired account that you wish to change your name. For example, in my case, it's going to be this one right here. And next up, I do have name and username in here. The next thing I'm going to do is tap on name, and boom, I can now edit my first name, my middle name, as well as my last name. And then I'm going to tap here on review change to change my name. Now, please note that if you change your name, you cannot edit it again for 60 days. Okay, so you do not want to add some wrong name. Ensure you type it correctly, because this will remain for the next 2 months until you can change your name again. This is for security purposes, just to prevent people from using this feature in a malicious way to hack or scam other people online. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.